How to find your saved videos on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your saved videos on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. So let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Now click on those three lines up there. And all you need to do is click on saved. Now click on all post. Click on the post and this is your saved post. So it's so easy and quick, like I say. Now how to save videos, how to save videos in collection. All you need to do is keep tapping on the save icon and write the new collection like makeup and click done. When you go to your saved, you're gonna find a new collection which is makeup. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.